Completing the FAFSA, or the Free Application for Federal Student Aid, is your first step in securing financial aid to support your education at Bismarck State College. In this video, we'll walk you through what you need to know to successfully complete your application. Whether you're a new student or returning to continue your studies, this guide is designed to make the process as smooth as possible. Let's get started. So what exactly is the FAFSA and why should you submit one? When you submit the FAFSA, you're applying for federal aid, which includes grants, subsidized and unsubsidized loans, and federal work study. The state of North Dakota also uses the FAFSA to determine your eligibility for the North Dakota State Grant. Additionally, there are some scholarships that require that you fill out the FAFSA as part of their application process. We encourage you to complete the FAFSA regardless of your financial status, so that you can take advantage of all available opportunities. Here's how to get started. Using a web browser, navigate to www.studentaid.gov. This is the official federal student aid website and is a great resource for all of your federal student aid questions. This is also where you will find your dashboard to manage your aid and track your loans. Once you've made it to the student aid website, click on Create an Account, located in the upper right-hand corner of the page. Next, click Get Started. Creating an account is simple and similar to other online accounts that you've created. However, you'll need to verify your social security number and that your birthday matches your name. Once your information has been verified, choose a username and password and enter your email address. Make sure to only use your personal email address. Please note it is important that you create your own account. When others, like a parent or spouse, create an account on your behalf, it is easy for them to make mistakes, especially with email addresses and social security numbers. It can be very challenging and time-consuming to fix these mistakes. In the setup process, if you receive a notification that you already have an account or your email is in use, just click the option to change your password. You'll be asked to verify some information about yourself, then you'll be able to update your password. Once you've logged in, click on your personal information to make sure everything looks correct on your profile. When you're ready to complete your FAFSA, go back to studentaid.gov, hover over the FAFSA form tab, then click Complete the FAFSA. You'll be redirected to the FAFSA form for the appropriate year. Click on Start New Form. You will be prompted to log in using the account information you created. On the next screen, after you've put in your personal information, you will be asked for your consent and to opt in to allow FAFSA to access the IRS to import your tax data. Your tax information makes up the bulk of your FAFSA. You may be asked a few financial questions, but your tax information will be imported automatically. After your tax information has been imported, you'll be asked which schools you would like to send your FAFSA to. You can select up to 10 schools. Make sure to select Bismarck State College. Once you've clicked to submit, you will receive a confirmation email right away. It will take about 5 business days for your FAFSA to be sent to BSC, and you should hear back from us about a week after we've received it. That's it! Now you're one step closer to qualifying for financial aid and making your education at BSC more affordable. If you have any questions about financial aid, please contact us at 701-224-5494 or bsc.financialaid@bismarckstate.edu.